Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be installing a wig by Afsisterwig. Inside the package, I received the wig that I'll be installing, a wig cap, edge brush, a clip, and some hairpins. This is what the wig looks like straight out the package. As you guys can see, the hairline is already pre-plucked. All I have to do is bleach the knots. This is a full 13x6 180% density loose wave 20-inch wig. In this video, I'll be doing a middle part styled with no baby hairs on my client. In the next clip, I'll be showing you guys how I customized the wig and prepped it for install. So before I install the wig on my client, I always hot comb the style that my client wants in place. The first thing that I do is part out a section of the hair in the back to cover the tracks. Being that my client wants a middle part, I'm going to part the hair straight down the middle. If you guys haven't noticed, this wig does come pre-plucked, but it is a little bit over-plucked. So right now I'm just taking out all the hairs that I'll be cutting off when it's installed on my client's head. So when I'm cutting off all the extra lace off the wig, this part of the wig will be removed too. As you guys can see, when I parted out all the extra hair, I parted it in a V shape so that the widow's peak can still be visible. So now I'm just going to part out each side in sections and apply wax stick before hot combing so that it can lay flat. This is how the first side of the wig came out. Now I'm just going to do the same steps to the next side. These are the results of me prepping the wig for install. Comment below if you guys have any questions about what I did. The next clip will show you guys the wig on my client's head. As you guys can see, my client has sort of a low hairline, so the point that I made for the wig to start, I'll be making a new one. I placed a dotted line behind the hairline that I originally made so that it doesn't end up low on her hairline. Before applying my first layer of glue, I always clean my client's hairline so that it has a clean surface to stick on. When you're spreading the glue across your client's hairline, you want to make sure that you're spreading it evenly and wide enough so that the lace has enough space to stick. Now, instead of placing the wig down where all the hairs start, I'm going to start at the point where I made the hairline. So there are going to be a whole bunch of hairs that are left to cut off. I'll be cutting them off once I start removing all the extra lace. Because I'm doing this install with no baby hairs, I'm going to try to leave as less lace as possible on the wig. After I finished cutting off all the extra lace, I used a thin layer of glue and placed it along the hairline to give the lace an extra melt. Now that all the lace is cut off, I'm going to use the makeup closest to my client's skin complexion and apply it to the lace. The makeup that I'm using to cover the lace is Ruby Kiss Cream Foundation number 15. Now I'm using the melting spray and spraying it across the hairline before placing the band down. In this video, I'm going to attempt to style the hair in some beach waves. So this is how the hair looks first. I then straighten the hair so that when I curl it, it'll be a loose kind of straight wavy curl. I use Got To Be Glued Free Spray to hold the curls in place. Now that I've finished styling the hair, I'm going to remove the elastic band and apply some bio silk before hot combing the hairline. Whenever there are hairs that are over bleached, I use a permanent marker to cover them so that the part can look sharper and neat. Now I'm using the same makeup that I used to cover the lace to outline the part. This is how the install came out. In the next clip, I'll be showing you guys how the whole wig looks. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.